This wasn't expected, but since I saw they got recalled last night, I ran to like 3 spirits today to find one. I went to one, they had one, they only got one in, so I copped them. But yeah, so let's get into this. Definitely recommend getting him before he's gone until like probably October. Yeah, I know he's getting recalled, so I don't know what they were thinking with like making the head so poorly, but I don't care. I like him, so I just won't play him a lot. This guy is just a basic SPI cop. Shouldn't be hard at all. Hopefully. I also watched someone set this up when I was waiting that spirit. Didn't look hard. All the instructions should be in. Yep. The clothes, adapter. There's his head. And by the time you're seeing this, is probably like a 4-day-old video. At the time I'm doing this, I didn't even post Michael Myers yet. Freddy's is up though, but I know I got Michael Myers like almost a week ago. But there's that garbage. Or I think these are for the shit. There's the poles. There his hands are small. What the hell? I don't remember being that small. That. Also, I got random stuff burning over there because it keeps the bugs away. Well, I guess they come with these now. And it's basic, so. Basic. Alright, just snap those 2 in. Pretty simple. I'm pretty sure. You know what? Whatever. Let's just look at the instructions. I know every video I say I'm not going to use these. But you can clearly see on the instructions that the prototype one is different for the people that said it is. Same with the QR board, but anyway, that's not what this video is about. You were supposed to put the shoes in first, I guess. These are part, whatever, you can do it anywhere now, so it's okay. Put those in. Now the foam pieces. Alright, next. The pants, where's that? Oh, it isn't one piece, so pants are second. Not used to easy props, it's been a while. WSB icons are the easiest to set up. This video's gonna be like 5 minutes for you guys probably, because I edit out the bullshit that don't matter. I can't tell which way's the back though. Yeah, I wasn't planning to get Crackles till like September, October-ish, because I wanted to get him with 20% off. But since he's getting recalled and you can't get him, they'll be gone everywhere by then. Just had to get him now. Ever since the first leak of this guy back in like November, I've been wanting him. I thought he was really cool, especially his closed face. I know some of you guys actually fell for the rage bait about that whole rant video about him. I do like him, obviously. I'm not always get a prop I genuinely hate. I like every prop this year besides like Lady Misfortune and Wind Up Wally, and like that's about it. Everything else I like. Figure out that the legs were on wrong. Backwards, I mean. So we got it now. Always do something backwards every time. I mean, that does make the video more entertaining. If it's still in the video, that's the exact reason why. If it's not, then what I'm saying makes no sense. If this part, but yeah, okay. Pull this back so you can see. If I got a subscriber for every mosquito bite I got, I would have like 3 by now, so subscribe. 3 subscribers needed now. Alright, the adapter, I guess. Oh, that's like a... Why does he need all that? Oh, I forgot, Crackles is actually outdoor rated. This is actually like, you can leave him out. It's not when it rains, I think. I don't know if he's waterproof. He's only 5.9 volts, so that's cool. There's also a thing for you to cover the step pad jack for when it rains. This might be the best quality clown I have, honestly. I mean, obviously, not really, but besides the face plate. Anyway, next step, this shirt. yes, I only bought it because we want to crack Crackles, am I right? Nah, alright, whatever. Anyway, the shirt, pretty easy, pretty easy. Y'all just plug everything. I know that's all for the head. That makes sense. I'll put the sensor in place now. What happens here? Alright. And guys, I've been trying to bring background music back. The problem is, like, it's so hard to find it uncopyrighted, even when it says uncopyrighted. So yeah, if you guys know how to get background jazz music that doesn't copyright you, let me know, because you know that used to make the video look better. But I guess at this point you just do J, yeah. Yeah, that should be the right one. I don't care what anyone says, like, mosquitoes are like the same level as scalpers, like, they serve no purpose and just, like, kill them all. That ass. They also f***ing grooving props. I actually used to respect that guy a lot. Kinda. I mean, I don't know, I'm not a big fan of Jimmy collectors in general. But, I mean, seeing some of them just scalp shit is, like, crazy. No, that's not the right hand. Alright, you just put this thing in. I mean, I'm sure anyone that's watching this probably has Crackles. So, but his hand looks much smaller than it did in the store. It's pretty weird. I'll just do the other on fucking instruction. Like I said in my satire rant video, I really do think he would be a better prop if his face didn't split open, but I do like that concept. Like, it is a new, unique concept, kinda. It's kinda like old magic power, but also kinda not. I think it's cool. It grew on me a lot. The video was like partly my real opinion, not really though. I just take. This guy is I'm pretty sure, in my opinion, this clown is the only decent one of the year. I like Nightcrawler Clown is okay, but like the setup, man, is not worth it. It takes up too much space. The box doesn't, but if he takes hours to set up, you're not gonna want to take him apart. So yeah, it's not worth it in my opinion. But Beyond the Frazzles would be cool for that different audio. Wind Up Wally is Wind Up Wally. That deep. Horrible, worst thing ever made by Spirit. There's his hair. You got his hair always comes badly, but it's whatever. Same with Michael Myers. That wasn't a problem. I just connect all the wires and match the color, not too hard. Red to red, of course. So all the videos I'm uploading the week you guys have seen this on the way, which is why. So old content, you can see. Oh, there they are. I just black to black. Oh, yeah, black to black. Black thing again. I know he has mouth movement, lights, and face splitting animation, so I guess there's 3 wires. makes sense. Do I get a green screen? If you don't see it, I'm here. And then on blue, I don't know what the blue option is. Oh, here it is. Also, just from what I'm seeing with this wire, it is really cheap. Sorry, SBI, I love you guys, but look, you gotta make better wires, because Heckles and this dude and Headcase Harry are bad. I know it's not fully you guys' fault, but I don't know why I'm talking like this if you guys are watching this. If you guys are somehow, then just make better wires. I don't know what the black color is. Okay. I think I fucked it. This one's also good because, like, if you make a mistake, you can go back and fix it. Unlike the last two we did, Michael and Fazbear, because they're impossible to get. I mean, Fazbear is not for Michael Myers, like getting in the back of his head. Now, we're almost done here, so just, I don't think the stakes, I'm pretty sure, aren't part of it. Put it in the box on Halloween. This guy I am leaving up is just gonna go in my room. My room right now is Uncle Charlie, Freddy Fazbear, and now it's gonna have Crackles. That's like the best. Yeah, that's the back piece. And of course, this thing. I might actually add some more blood to that because it looks pretty bad. Just the blood. Not right away. That's tape covering. There we go. I think we're done here. So I'm gonna bring them inside, plug them in, because I don't feel like getting bit trying to plug them in, honestly.